My name is Ellen Goulmy. I work for BERLUX Lighting Design, based in the Netherlands, in Blokzijl, a small country in the north of the Netherlands, so very nice. And other part of my time, I spend time at Lighting Design Academy, educational practice, and that's based in Amersfoort. And that's what I do, yeah. I got in lighting design just by coincidence. I studied journalism and photography, and I got really fed up with working for a radio station. It was really fun to do, but after 3-4 years, I just decided to do something completely else. And I started working with a lighting store based in Amsterdam. It was really nice. So that's my first steps into lighting. And I started studying lighting design in the Netherlands. 2 bachelors I did. And after it, I just learned along the way. Yeah. So I had my own practice first, and later on I started working with BERLUX. I work several projects, so smaller and big ones. Interior, exterior, residential, offices, but everything that has the need for a lighting designer. So we love special projects, of course, but we also love the smaller ones. So we do almost everything. In education, we start off with 1-day courses, and we have a bachelor program, so a full-year program of lighting design. And we teach around 450 students a year, so that's a lot of students. And I like both of them, so half of my time teaching and half of my time lighting design. I think the lighting designer, he or she works with lighting full-time, so she knows everything about lighting. And manufacturer can use only his brand, of course, and we as lighting designers can use every brand we want, and that's the part I like, that I can use everything I would like to use for my project. So that's the main benefit, I think. Yeah. Future of lighting, I think that we are not able to control lighting anymore by ourselves, but it just happens. I think that's the ultimate future goal, that it just happens because your brain says you want less lighting, or your brain mentions I want more lighting, or maybe it's adaptive to your state of mind. Or I think that's the absolute future. In the meantime, there is a section that we want to adjust lighting ourselves, and with the LEDs and the current controls and everything, it's really fun to control lighting. Yeah. So that's for now. In future, I hope that it will just be there. I'm a terrible researcher. I really am. I love to read about research, and I'm really fond of it, but for myself, I'm not really a researcher. But when I have unlimited budgets, I think I want to be involved in the user experience, how people just go into an office or in a hotel, and what they will do and what lighting is doing. Yeah. Yeah, most proud. It's not really a project, because I think I'm most proud of a lot of projects I did together with my colleagues, of course. But I'm most proud of our students. We started 6 years ago with a bachelor program in the Netherlands. It was brand new. And we started off with 13 students, and now we have 25 each year. So it's always, every year it's completely full. So I'm really proud that we have a lot of students who want to be involved in lighting and lighting design. So yeah, that's what I'm most proud of. Yeah, when I see the faces when they get there on their graduation day, and we always make funny pictures. So that last picture we take, that it's the best one. Yeah, of course, it's not only one that's been great for me. So there are a lot of people. But what I like most in lighting is that it feels like a family. When you go to London, for instance, or to the Dark Awards, or to a convention, or you see everyone and everyone is hugging and saying hello, and it feels like a real family. So I think I'm, yeah, almost everyone in lighting. It sounds a bit like a cliche, but they all help me on my way still to work in lighting design. Yeah. So I give the credits to everyone in lighting. Yeah.
She didn't say you.
No. Of course, Barry. Yeah, I have to say Barry. No.
Of course. You're everyone.
No, of course he's been involved, but it's not. No, it's just not only one. No. So yeah, yeah. I just love everyone. Sorry. Yeah, that's everyday lighting, light art, education. Yeah, I just like everything every day. Yeah, I get inspired from the most silly things, like shadow on the wall, or yeah, a color, or yeah, I just in smaller things still. Yeah, I think a lot of women are a bit shy to stand on the stage, or like this with the interview, or I had the same a few years ago. I was really scared to get on the stage and tell about lighting. I'm passionate about lighting, of course, and I can talk to hours about lighting, but you have to take the step to be in front of something, so on the stage or like this with an interview. And I think a lot of women are shy to do it because there are a lot of men, and they are always there, very enthusiastic as always, of course, and it's no problem. But as a woman, you feel sometimes a bit, yeah, modest, I think. Yeah, so I think a lot of women are shy to do so. Yeah, I really had difficulties to take the first step. But when you take the first step, the second one is easier, and the third is easier, and it's just be yourself. Yeah. Yeah, I hope to give them the feeling that they just have to stand on a stage and just be there and take the step. Just sometimes you fail, and there's nothing wrong with failing, or with making a mistake, or why? No, we're just humans. Yeah. Also the women. Yeah. So just be there, and I try to give our students the idea, just be yourself and talk about what's your passion. No, if you are passionate about lighting, just take the first step. Be there and talk about your passion. That's it. Yeah, because lighting is really fun. So just be there, and I hope you get the chance to meet every crazy lighting designer that walks around the planet. Yeah.